Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add voiceover in Canva. First of all, open Canva on your device. Once Canva has opened, open any project you wish. You can either create a new design. For now, since I have a project I would like to add a voiceover to, I will just click on it. Once it is opened, on the menu bar, next to the Insights, there lies the Share button. Click on it, and at the bottom, you will see something that is called Move. Click on it again. On the Share option, you will see something like Present and Record. Click on it and go to the Recording Studio. Now it will ask us to set up our microphone. You can select your default microphone. And it will ask you if you want to input your camera or not. Once everything is done, just click on Start Recording. This is how you do a voiceover in Canva. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.